Still now we have discussed about the photosynthesis and how the food is prepared and starch test. Now, which factors will be affected to the photosynthesis? Right. Now, factors are materials essential for the process of photosynthesis. First of all, we know mainly for the photosynthesis purpose we need carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and the presence of the chlorophyll. These are the factors of the photosynthesis. We will be discussed one by one. First of all, importance of the water and photosynthesis. We have studied in the 7th class on that von Helmont. He has conducted so many experiments. What are the experiments? On that, he is taken the plant. First of all, he is measured what is its mass. Then that is kept. Plant is measured, and at the same time, how much soil is taken for the keeping of that plant. That means he is taken one of the pot. On that pot inside, how much soil is required. That soil mass also is known. He is recorded first of all. Then after, the plant is kept under a pot. After a few days, this small plant is become big. Thereafter, he is measured again. What is the mass of the soil and what is the mass of the plant? He is observed that is the mass of the plant is changed, but there is no lot of differences of the soil mass changing. That means the soil mass is not changed, but plant mass is changed. That means he is concluded that the plant is taking something from the soil which is required for the plant. That means from the soil what is taking is water and the minerals. Understand? We have discussed it in the 7th class. It is clearly are there. Now, water is completed. Next, air. We know that is plant is having the stomata which is present on the surface of the leaf. That is why the stomata is also called as the nose of the plant. Okay. Here, Joseph Priestley is one of the scientists. He has discovered the oxygen. Joseph Priestley is discovered the oxygen, but he don't know what is its name. And he has discovered the oxygen is in 1774. Later, one of the scientists his name is Lavoisier. The Lavoisier is named to it as a oxygen. According to him, what is the meaning of the oxygen is oxygen. Oxy meaning is acid. Gen meaning is generated. That means according to him, the gas is evolved from the acid. That is why he is named as a oxygen. Now, for this purpose, we have the one of the activity, that is the bell jar activity. By using this simple experiment, we are easily understand what is the role of the air to perform the photosynthesis by the plant. For this, he is taken the one of the bell jar. Bell jar inside is kept the candle. Okay. After some time, the fire is extinguished. Why? Because the outside air is not contacted. Inside, how much oxygen is there? That oxygen is utilized to burn this candle. After some time, it is extinguished. That means he is saying, that is, who is said? Priestley is saying that this candle is making this air to impure. That, but we don't know what is utilizing, what is releasing also. He said that is the candle is making air into the impure. Then after another experiment is conducted. What is that is? On that candle kept, and at the same time rat also kept. Then closed the atmosphere with the glass jar. Okay. Whenever this candle is burning, that means inside which how much air is there, that much air is utilized. Then after this candle is extinguished. At the same time, this rat is suffocating with the breathing problem. Again, he is noticed. What is the candle? What is doing? The same thing is doing by the rat. That is animals. Then after, another experiment is conducted. What is that experiment? He is taking one of the small mint plant. Next experiment is that he is arranged one of the small mint plant along with the candle. In this situation, the candle is glowed a long time, because by using this experiment, our Priestley is said that this candle is making impure to the air, which is impure air is filtering or making the plant is pure. That means in this manner, so many gases exchanges takes place between the plant and air and the candle. Then after again he is conducted another experiment also. In this situation, he is arranged the rat and the mint plant. Here, this rat is absorbed air and released, which air is released. In this manner, this rat is making the air into the impure. The impure air is absorbed by the plant, and the plant is making the again it is pure. That means what is the animals are doing to the air, that is reversely doing by the plants. So here, by using this, we will be conclude clearly that is the gases exchanges will be takes place with the plants and atmospheric air. Here, mainly the way is in this manner. That is just before we have discussed the factors of affecting to the photosynthesis. That is carbon dioxide. We are clearly saying that is the carbon dioxide also playing very important role to the photosynthesis to make the food. Now, how we will be know, sir? What is the importance of the carbon dioxide in this process? For this purpose also we have a very small experiment or activity. What is that? First of all, we have to need one of the destarched plant. What do you mean by the destarched plant, sir? Destarched plant means whenever we will be keep the plant under the sunlight, on that manner it will be made the photo by the process of photosynthesis. In this manner, the plant is having the starch. Already it is having, because of it is done the photosynthesis. Okay. First of all, we have to remove the complete starch from the leaf. Is it possible? Directly doing this is not possible. But we have to do one small thing. What is that? Which plant is there? The potted plant we have to be keep in the dark room in 3 days. In this manner, what will be happen? The plant will not get the light. Then we want to make the food by the process of photosynthesis. How much starch is there? That starch is utilized by its light processes. In this manner, the starch is vacant or it will be removed, which is utilized by the light processes. That means we have, if we want to do this experiment, means we have to need the destarched plant. Destarched after, we have to be take one of the glass jar. On that, we have to be put the KOH, potassium hydroxide. If there is a potassium hydroxide pellets are available, is there? We have to be put into the inside potassium hydroxide pellets. If there is a potassium hydroxide solution is there, then also we have to be put it. What is the use of the potassium hydroxide? Means the potassium hydroxide will be absorb the carbon dioxide. That means this potassium hydroxide is kept under this glass cell. In glass inside, how much carbon dioxide is there? The total carbon dioxide is reacted with the potassium hydroxide. That means inside of the glass jar there is no carbon dioxide, right? So now this glass jar we have to keep one of the rubber cork. which is closing to the glass jar. This rubber part of compulsory is splitted. Splitted means we have to be insert the half of the leaf inside through this rubber part. Okay. Like this we have to be arrange the total experiment. Total experiment we have to be keep under the sunlight 4 to 6 hours. That after 4 to 6 hours, which leaf is kept under the glass jar, it will flap out. After we have to do the activity 1. What is that activity 1? Starch test. Okay. Which leaf is there? That leaf we have to be keep in the test tube, which is methylated solution. Then it is happens to bleaching. Then after iodine testing, if you are doing then, which area is exposed to the atmospheric air, that area will be prepared the food by the process of photosynthesis. Remaining area which is inside the glass jar, that is not obtained the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not there, then it won't make the food by the process of photosynthesis. So finally, we will be get the this half of the area is exposed to the atmospheric air, which is available of the carbon dioxide. That is why in this area starch is prepared. That is why whenever we are pouring the iodine solution on this leaf, this area is changed into the blue-black color, which is indication of the presence of the starch. Remaining area is not changing its color because of there is lack of the carbon dioxide is there. That is why it won't make the food by the process of photosynthesis.